When the leader of a country wants to get a sense of what voters are really thinking, most order a poll. But Norway's Prime Minister took a decidedly different approach. Leaving behind his office in Oslo, Jens Stoltenberg donned a uniform and drove a taxi for one day in June. And the passengers figured out rather quickly that this was not going to be an ordinary cab ride.
Når jeg ser på siden, så virker det ligner på Stoltenberg.
Det er midlertidig, for jeg har så mange nå, men neste år så går det vel ned noe.
Men kjære all verden. Ser du at du kjører bil, eller?
Det ligner helt øyepartiet, kanskje. Det er bare øyepartiet, ser bare øye.
Det er kanskje bare øyepartiet.
Få se da. Ja, men fy faen, det ligner oss! Hæ? Men hæ? Hæ er det? Hva?
Many gave their opinions of the state of the economy and education. Others thought he'd simply switched jobs.
Slutte som grande pappa til Norge?
Slutte som grande pappa til Norge?
Grande pappa, si.
Ja, premierminister?
Ja.
Ja, jeg ikke slutte som premierminister.
The Prime Minister revealed his stunt on Facebook. He said he wanted to get a sense of the real concerns of the average Norwegian. And going incognito as a taxi driver was the way to do it. But would other world leaders be able to pull off such a feat? Imagine, if you will, you're hailing a taxi in London, and British Prime Minister David Cameron stopped to pick you up. Or perhaps you're in New York City, and you get into a cab driven by Barack Obama. Or maybe the Russian President Vladimir Putin is behind the wheel of your Moscow cab. Stoltenberg may not be quitting his day job, but it's a ride these passengers will never forget. Catherine Stansel, Al Jazeera.